time is right, the time is right. Yeah, tonight, the time is right, the time is right. Tonight is the night, I'll give it my all, see stars in your eyes, I'm 10 feet tall, when I'm with you. Nobody's stopping us now. Nobody's stopping us now. I really need somebody, somebody, somebody. I really need somebody, somebody, somebody. Somebody, somebody. I didn't wanna hurt you, maybe. I wanted to know if you're alright. Been too afraid to call you lately, cause you wanna be alone, but it keeps me up at night. Life is better when I'm with you. You make me wanna be a better man. Baby, would you give me one more chance? And I know you're never gonna wanna talk again, but why don't you see that we were meant to be? I know better, now wanna make amends, so can we try again? And we just take me back. Why don't you want to take me back? Cause I still want you. Take me back. Why can't you believe that we're still apart? You're still a part of me. Take me back. Why don't you want me? Take me back. Cause I'm so sorry. Take me back. Why can't you believe that we're still apart? You're still a part of me. It's 2 a.m. but I'm not sleeping, thinking of you like you'll never think of me. Maybe I was only dreaming. Wait, if I wake up this end differently, you're never gonna wanna talk again, but why don't you see that we were meant to be? I know better, don't wanna make a mess, so can we try again? And would you take me back? Why don't you want to take me back? Cause I still want you. Take me back. Why can't you believe that we're still apart? You're still a part of me. Take me back. Why don't you want me? Take me back. Cause I'm so sorry. Take me back. Why can't you believe that we're still apart? You're still a part of me. You're never gonna wanna talk again, talk again, talk again. I know better, I wanna make amends, so can we try again? And would you take me back? Why don't you want to take me back? Cause I still want you. Take me back. Why can't you believe that we're still apart? You're still a part of me. Take me back. Why don't you want me? Take me back. Cause I'm so sorry. Take me back. Why can't you believe that we're still apart? You're still a part of you. Don't want me back. I want you back. I know a girl who's so fine, she's running laps around my heart. She's more than perfect, she's not the type to go play a part. She came and killed my whole life, and just like Mike Tyson, now I'm here seeing stars. I could take all of my time just trying to describe her, I don't know where to start. All my life I knew she's my baby, I can't hide it, making me crazy. Sometimes I close my eyes and dream about when we met in high school, and I've been trying to tell her this lately. She's more father rock in the 80s. I think about her when I sleep, like back when we were 17. Girl, you know you got me dreaming. We could be driving fast with your feet on the dash. You're riding by my side, leaving all our fears in the past. And anywhere you wanna see where we could be on the map. It's only you and me, nothing to prove for me, yeah. All my life I knew she's my baby, I can't hide it, making me crazy. Sometimes I close my eyes and dream about when we met in high school, and I've been trying to tell her this lately. She's more father rock in the 80s. I think about her when I sleep, like back when we were 17. Back when we were 17. Back when we were 17.
Have you ever walked a high pass, watched the northern lights flash, took a photograph on a Paris street? Have you ever climbed a tall tree, asked someone for mercy, gave something away that wasn't free? I don't wanna get a vision of you stuck in my head, because I know that you were meant to be wilder. Another night of television while you're lying in bed, it's slowly gonna be the death of you. Have you ever really lived? You talk a big game, but it's just a matter of time. Have you ever really lived? We're all on the clock here. In the blink of an eye, you're a goner. So for once in your life, try the deeper water, feel the pull of whatever is out there, and ask yourself this once: have you ever really lived? Have you ever used your hands to build something from scratch that wasn't even for you? Have you ever? When you hear the waves are crashing over Nazareth, man, don't you wanna see them? And I don't wanna get a vision of you stuck in my head, because I know that you were meant to be wilder. Another night of television while you're stuck in your head, is that really how it's gonna